we're going to be solving quadratic equations using completing the square method. So the whole trick to this method is you make sure the coefficient in front of the x squared equals 1, and then you solve by taking 1/2 the x term squared. And then you just solve using basic algebra rules. So I'm just going to, as is an easy numbers for the first one, so coefficient of the x squared term equals 1, so we take x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. Leave a little more room. 1/2 of 6 is 3 squared. It equals 9, so we add 9. Since you can't equivalent exchange, we have to minus 9 out here, so we get x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 1 equals 0. We'll move on to the other side, and then the inside, because it's squared now, easy to factor because it's squared. So minus 3 times minus 3, x minus 3 equals 1. This is squared, make square term, so it's x minus 3 squared, quantity squared equals 1. We take the square root of both sides. So we're left with x minus 3 equals plus minus 1. X, add 3 to the side, so x equals 4, 2. 4 and 2. Solve the equation. Now, if the coefficient in front is not, if it's not 1 in front of the x squared term, so let's say let's make these much more uglier. So we'll say it's 5, we'll say 20, make it positive, and then 89. Sounds good. So first we have to get the coefficient to equal 1, so we'll just take the 5 out. So we get x squared, since we took 5 out of these first two terms, we're left with plus 4x plus 89 equals 0. So we take half of 4 equals 2, 2 squared equals 4. So we're left with x squared plus 4x plus 4 on the inside. And since we added 4 to the left side of the equation, we have to minus 4 to the left side of the equation to make sure everything's in equilibrium. So we didn't actually change the equation at all. So 4 times 5, since we're minusing 4, it'd be 4 times 5 equals 20, so minus 20. So we're left with 5x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 69. Sorry, plus 69 equals 0. So now I'll just use basic algebra to solve, remove 69 on the other side. Oh, the middle part becomes x plus 2 squared equals negative 69, divided by 5, take the square root, so we're left with x plus 2 equals negative 69 divided by 5. And take the square root of the whole thing, so we get x equals negative 2 plus minus the square root of 69 divided by 5, I.